Hi, it's your Ilongga Get Dressed with me, Girly! Ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba? Diyan, napaka-OA naman. Kasi, paano ba magiging, ano ba, yung gusto mong gawin is magagawa mo, hindi yung ayaw mo, ginagawa mo lang siya dahil because of it can provide good finances to you. Ano finances? Stop. Ang gusto ko lang naman sabihin is, kailan ko pa kaya magagawa yung pagko-content na full-time talaga kasi gusto ko talaga nito gusto ko ito yung job ko. And as well, it should pay the bills. Pero like, if starting ka palang hindi ka talaga pwede na mag-take ng risk. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Oh no, ayoko na. Paka-OA talaga. So, these are my ukay finds. So, hindi ko sila kilala. Kilala ko lang is yung Simpson. Pero sila, hindi ko kilala. Pero kinuha ko lang kasi I find them cute. Isuot na natin. Ala, ang cute niya. Ang cute. Hindi ako like mga statement na shirt or like mga ganitong design. Pero, ang cute niya naman. At so, ukay ko din to na kita. So, parang it goes well sa aking pa-character na top. So, isuot na rin natin. Ang hirap talaga. Gusto ko talaga mag full-time content creator. Pero, paano? How do I start? Napaka-feeling. So ito, magsisleeper lang din ako. Dahil pupunta lang naman ako kay tita. Kasi nga, I was doing a training. So, sa training na iyon is hindi ka pwedeng mag-late, mag-absent, and hindi pwede na brown out. So, kagabi, it was like having a typhoon. Ay, grabe. So, mayroong typhoon dito and typhoon. So, again. So, may typhoon dito and I was like, hindi to magba-brown out kasi hindi naman dito yung eye of the typhoon. And then, ng mga around 11 or 12 na, grabe ang hangin. Kasyagit. Grabe, kitya. So, around mga 10:30 or 11, ay nag-brown out. Grabing brown out. Kasi naman wala ko kabalo kung ano yung buon ko. Kaya hindi pwede mag-brown outan. Pero naka-attend pa ko sa first part, tapos nakagawa na ko kay nalubat ang laptop. Siyempre, kay second hand ang laptop. Tapos akong cellphone, kabisyo pa ang dito nga data. Dito, sinasabi ko talaga. So, wala ko nakagawa ko sa meeting. And then, pagsulog ko, para na sa kalagitnaan ng discussion. Pagka-after, ay, naka-receive letter. May warning letter. So, is it our fault na nagbabagyo ba? Grabe naman kayo. And is it our fault is it our fault na brown out? But it's okay. Wala naman ako magagawa if ganyan na talaga ang buhay. If para sa akin, then para sa akin. And if it's not for me, then it's not for me. At least I've tried, right? So, say, Geronimo. Say, Geronimo na lang ako kapag hindi ako nakapasa. Pero Lord, papasahin mo naman ako dahil ginawa ko naman ang lahat. So ayun, mag-background. Mag-cap na lang din muna. So, where's naman my necklace? Hindi naman yung necklace ko, manood lang. So, if hindi talaga kung hindi talaga para sa akin, then it's not for me. At least I've tried, right? So, there's no harm in trying. We can try all we want. There are a lot of chances for trying. And I think the worst part of life is when you don't even get to try the things that you wanted to try. And then later on, you will regret it in the end. So, I'm such a crybaby. I may cry a lot because of pressure, stress, anxiety, and it's like that. But then again, I always try my best to show up, not just for the benefit of myself, but also, most importantly, for the benefit of my family. Di na ako nakakaiyak kasi wala, dapat mag-address lang naman ako. Bakit ako naiiyak? I'm so emotional. Sorry po, I'm on my period po. Sorry po. But yeah, again, we just continue to fight, go, go, go. Because in life, we do not have a choice. It's either we move forward or we remain in the moment. So again, this is your Get Just Treat Me Girly. Have a great day and have a great night.